So this week, get prepared for the old switcheroo. I'm going to be on Armed Preparedness channel this week, and she's on my channel, as you'll see with the next video. And many of you, I'm sure, are already fans of her channel. If you haven't checked her out, I have a link below for her channel and one here in the corner. So, I'll be quiet now. It's her time on my channel. Here we go. Armed Preparedness.
Hey everyone, Morgan here. So I first wanted to say thank you so much to Potpourri for having me on her channel. We've been following each other for so long, and it's a real honor to be doing this collaboration with her. She inspires me every single time I watch one of her videos. She is amazing. So thank you so much for having me on your channel. And today I'm going to be making a dehydrated smoothie. This is actually the first time that I'm doing this, so I'm pretty excited. And I've never dehydrated a smoothie, let alone rehydrated a smoothie. So what we're going to do is we're going to dehydrate it and rehydrate it all in this one video and do a taste test and all that and see how it rehydrates and see if it actually comes back to like a normal-ish smoothie and would be good for something either preppy related, hiking, camping, just general outdoors, stuff like that. So, and I got this recipe online, and there's going to be a link down below in the description to where you can actually go find this recipe for yourself along with other smoothies and things. So let's get at it. Here are the ingredients that I'm using. I'm using some old-fashioned oats, some almond milk, cocoa powder, peanut butter, banana, and flaxseed. Place it all in a blender and grind it up. So here is how much it creates. I would probably double, triple, quadruple this recipe next time that I do it, because, you know, this is even for on the trail. This isn't very much. You know, I probably want it all the way up to the top, you know, to drink it on the trail. Even this alone, I think, is about 560 calories, though, of what this is specifically. But this could be enough. I don't know. But I am more curious to see how it'll come out after rehydrated. So now I'm just going to spread it on this parchment paper here. You don't need any special paper or anything, just parchment paper with your dehydrator, is going to be perfectly fine. And I'm just going to spread it all on this one tray here. And now that it's done, it's time to put it in the dehydrator here. Be careful, don't spill. I'm going to set it to about 115-ish degrees, and we're just going to turn it on and see how this goes for about 6 to 12 hours. It'll probably be about 12 or more. All right, it is noon. I actually checked it at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m., and 8 a.m. would be 12 hours. So it is noon right now. I checked it at 8 a.m. and it still felt a little leathery, not so brittle and crispy. And it was probably because it was kind of thick, but I think this will, it's crunchier now. So I think this will grind up pretty good. So the next step is to grind it up. I have a designated coffee grinder that is only for my dehydrated stuff. So like I only grind stuff that it needs to be ground from dehydrated stuff. So I'm going to grind it in there. So there it is. There's the powder. You want a nice fine powder. One little piece just didn't grind up. This probably just was not dehydrated enough. So that's okay. We'll just leave that there. But the rest of it's good. All right, so this is just an experiment. So what we're doing is we're just going to rehydrate it basically immediately here. I'm going to put 2/3 cup water in it, shake it up, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to taste test it. Ten minutes later, it is time for a taste test. So, she wants to try some. You like it? Yucky. Yucky. It's not yucky. It's actually pretty good. Now, is it as good as it was fresh? I took a little taste test when it was fresh, and it was very good, actually. I might make this smoothie just in general. Is it as good as fresh? No, but actually it's still very tasty. I am pretty shocked at how it rehydrated, actually. I just never even considered dehydrating and then rehydrating a smoothie. I am getting a little bit of powdery bits every once in a while, you know, rehydrated, I guess, bits. But that's not a big deal. You know, you really do got to shake it up very, very good with these smoothies. But it tastes good with the water. You know, that's what I'm always concerned. But it has the almond milk in it, you know, so just rehydrating with the water should make it taste fine. And it does. It tastes great. I actually would definitely do this. I would make a lot more, you know, especially in larger batches and things like that. But I'm pretty happy. And there are lots of other recipes. Again, there's going to be a link down below in the description about where you can go see other recipes. Thank you to Potpourri once again for having me on her channel. And thank you all so much for watching. This was such a fun experiment. And I love experimenting with dehydrating stuff. So thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.